Hi, trucking friends. I'm Vivian Sarah from Cinesis. I lead customer service, and I'm here to take you on a tour of the Cinesis Load Finder Load Board platform to help you all use the platform more efficiently. First, I go into my profile here on the upper left-hand corner, and this is all the information that I've inputted about my profile, such as what my integration ID is, what my company name is, and my phone number. And I save company information, and all that information goes into personalizing your load search. And here we have the load board, and it has 12 basic fields, which you've all been familiar with, such as the max weight load and max distance and pickup city. And today my pickup city is in Petaluma, California. So I input that. And sure, I'm looking for more of a short distance to drive the LTL. So I will choose 3,000 miles. And my trailer type is indeed a van. So I simply click on find available loads and see what they bring up. It brought up about 100 loads here. And I click on this load that looks good to me. I save the load and it tells me that load saved successfully. So I really appreciate this feedback. I go back into my loads, which is the next tab in the drop down, and this is my bookmark load. And you'll see right there, that is the load that we had just saved from the load search page. And then we also have enable backhaul search, which means, which you all know, it's a two-way round trip backhaul trip for this. And so I enable that and I find the backhaul trips, and I see that there are about 12 load pairs. And this is super useful information. I can simply choose what I want that fits what I'm looking for. And then I go into my documents. I see all the documents that are required from me in order for my broker to book me and onboard me efficiently. And this is called a carrier packet, which we all know. And lastly, I go into my notifications tab and making sure that my phone number is there. I input my phone number again. I input my origin city, and I save preferences. And this enables all your notifications about the loads that have been found, that have been personalized to your preferences, and everything to be sent straight to your phone over text. Thanks for signing up, everybody.